In the previous session, we have learnt about hierarchical data. Now, let's understand how to query the hierarchical data. Okay, whenever you are querying the hierarchical data, there are two mandatory keywords to use. Okay, they are connect by and prior. Okay, we can build a hierarchy whenever one row is the parent of the other row, then only you can link them, right? If one row is not the parent of the other row, how can we link them? We cannot, right? Yes, whenever we want to build a hierarchy, the row has to be a parent of the other row. Okay, start with defines the first ancestor. What does that mean? Here Jeff is the first ancestor, right? Yes, he is in the top level of the hierarchy. Yes, you need to specify the top level of the hierarchy so that your hierarchical query can navigate from there. Okay, connect by specifies the relationship between the parent rows and the child rows. Okay, level is a pseudo column which returns the depth of the hierarchy. Okay, here the level for Jeff is 1, Tom and Raj 2, Peter, John, Bob and Greg level 3, Patel, Sonu, James, Sarah, Rahman and Anil are level 4. Okay, and you see I have hierarchical data in my table salesperson. Okay, and they are connected using the first name and the manager. Okay, now let's understand about this query by understanding the data. Okay, let's go. Okay, this is the salesperson table and I have about 13 rows. Okay, we know whenever we have to query the hierarchical data, there should be a parent and child relationship, right? So here the parent child relationship is formed between the first name and the manager. You see, for Peter, John, Tom is the manager. Okay, so let me sort by manager. Okay, so order by manager. Okay, Sarah, Rahman, Bob is the manager. Anil, Greg is the manager. For Tom, Raj, Jeff is the manager. James, Patel, Peter is the manager. So this is the column which is defining the parent of the row, right? And who doesn't have a manager? Jeff doesn't have a manager. You see, Jeff, and he doesn't have a manager. It is null. Why? Because he is top of the hierarchy, right? Yes, because he is top of the hierarchy, he doesn't have any manager. So whenever you are building the query, you have to start with manager is null, or you can say start with first name equal to Jeff. Okay, so now let's go and start building a hierarchical query. Okay, so let me select, okay, first name, job title, manager, and I'll select the pseudo column level. From, what is the table name? Salesperson. Okay, and how do we connect? Using connect by prior. So what's the relationship? It is between first name and manager, right? So first name equal to manager, and we have to start with top of the hierarchy. So start with manager is null. Okay, now let me execute this. Okay, and let me order this. Okay, order by what is the column number? 1 2 3 4, so I can say 4, and let me run this again. Okay, you see, Jeff, he is the president and he doesn't have a manager, and his level is 1. He is top of the hierarchy, right? Yes. Next, Raj and Tom, for them the manager is Jeff and they belong to level 2. And now Peter and John, they report to Tom and their level is 3. In the same way, Greg and Bob report to Raj and their level is 3. And like this, you see how clearly it has defined the level, right? See, just by using the connect by clause and the start with, you are able to find the level of the hierarchy. Cool, right? Okay. In the next session, let's see how we can form this data into a hierarchy. Okay?